Welcome back to Little Bites Kitchen. Today is day 5 of our 8-month baby food journey, and we're preparing 3 balanced and flavorful meals your baby will absolutely enjoy. At this stage, babies are ready for soft textures, gentle flavors, and nutrient-rich meals that support their healthy growth. Today's menu includes a creamy oat and mango porridge for breakfast, a hearty beef and vegetable mash for lunch, and a light pumpkin and rice mash for dinner. Let's begin with breakfast. Breakfast oat porridge with mango. You'll need oatmeal 25 grams, ripe mango 30 grams, breast milk or formula 50 milliliters. Start by cooking oats in a little water until soft and creamy, about 5 to 7 minutes. Once cooked, let them cool slightly. Peel and dice the mango, then blend or mash it to a smooth puree. Mix the oat puree into the mango then. Stir in breast milk or formula to make it creamy and nutritious. This meal provides iron, protein, vitamin C, and calcium, helping to strengthen your baby's bones, immune system, and energy levels. If your baby is starting to enjoy textures, you can gently mash instead of blending completely. Lunch, beef and vegetable mash. Now let's prepare a hearty beef and vegetable mash, perfect for iron and protein-rich lunch. You'll need lean beef 25 grams, potato 20 grams, carrot 20 grams, onion 10 grams. Chop all ingredients into small pieces, in a small pot, add enough water to cover and cook together on medium heat until everything is soft, around 15 minutes. Once cooked, transfer to a bowl and mash everything gently using a fork or masher. It should be soft and easy to swallow, but not completely smooth, just the right texture for your 8 months old too. Explore gentle lumps and practice chewing. This meal, rich in iron, zinc, protein, vitamin A, and vitamin B12, great for healthy brain development, strong muscles, and overall growth. You can add a spoon of the cooking water or a splash of breast milk if it feels too thick. Dinner, pumpkin and rice mash cooked together. To end the day, we're making a warm and gentle pumpkin and rice mash, a perfect dinner to soothe your baby's tummy before bedtime. You'll need pumpkin 50 grams, rice 25 grams cooked. Add both pumpkin and rice together in a small pot with enough water to cook. Simmer on low heat until both are soft and tender, around 15 minutes. Then mash together until smooth and creamy. This dish is rich in beta-carotene for good eyesight, gentle fiber for digestion, and carbohydrates for steady energy. You can add a little warm water, formula, or breast milk to get your preferred consistency. A few drops of olive oil can add healthy fats that help your baby absorb vitamins better. And that's it, another day of balanced homemade baby meals. Breakfast, oat porridge with mango. Lunch, beef and vegetable mash dinner, pumpkin and rice mash. Each meal is simple, nutritious, and full of flavor, helping your little one grow strong, happy, and healthy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support Little Bites Kitchen. Thank you for watching and happy feeding.